Hi everyone, my name is Samson Alusin and we'll be continuing on our Excel tutorial. And in this video, we will look at how to save Excel workbook in a different file formats. So we need to launch our previous documents. You can save an Excel 2016 file in a format other than xlsx or xls. The file formats that are listed as option in the Save as dialog box or an Export tab depend on what type of the file format the application supports. When you save a file in another file format, some of the format data and feature might lost. So let's look on how to save in a different format. First of all, you need to open the document or the workbook that you want to save in a different format. And then what you need to do is to go to File tab. You go to File tab, you go to Export. From the left panel are the stage view. You click on Export, and from Export, you can click on Change File Type. You see different file type that you can change to. So we can change to different formats. So what we're going to do now, and each file type stated the reason why we need to save it as that type. But if we are going to save in a different format, we need to click on Create PDF and SPS document. I see the reason why we need to create that document. Said preserve layout, format, font and image. Content cannot be easily changed. Free viewer are available on the web. So these are the reason why we are creating PDF format. So that is the explanation for us to create another format. And in the right panel, when we have created, we have clicked on Create PDF/SPS button. In the left navigable panel, we need to click on Desktop or anyone that we want. So we can click on it. And here, let's say we want to save it into our folder here. So this is where we want to save it to. Document Excel tutorial. So we need to make sure that in the save type, this PDF format is shown. And after that, what we are going to do now is to create publish. And when we create publish, the reader application or web browser open with the PDF format displays. Now it's publishing, it's rolling it. So after when it's through, it will display either by website or by PDF software. So we are going to after load finish, after publish finish, it will display, or it will use it can be read by application or by website. And now you can see it's trying to open through my PDF software that I have on the system. So as you can see, it's opening through my PDF software that I have on my system. So it's published the document into PDF format. So this is how we can save in another format apart from xlsx format of Excel. So I can save as PDF also. You see the name, how to save workbook, save. So it's the same thing that we have here on how to save workbook, sales department. So it converts to PDF, and you can use hot tab on hot F4 to close this one. You can use hot F4 to close, and you can use hot tab to move back to our Excel. So we go back to our Excel. So this is how you can publish the Excel workbook in another file format. So hope you follow the process, and you can pause the video and review again to get the process very well. And this can help you if you want to send an Excel document to a particular client, and you don't want them to edit from the source documents. You don't want them to adjust anything. You can convert it to PDF format and send it to them. So this is going to be a very safe place. And if you send an Excel document to someone that doesn't have Excel software in his system, it's very difficult for him to open it. But if you convert it to PDF format and send it to that person, it's likely that most of his computer system have browser software that came with the Microsoft Office, Microsoft window. They can use to open it, and they can also use PDF format software to open it. So they don't need to have Excel in their system before they open the document, since we have converted it to PDF format. So this is very easy, and it's straightforward. Hope you can start use this one in your day-to-day activities in your office or in your business. Thank you very much. See you in another tutorial.